This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Then jack up the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Remove the caliper mounting bolts while holding the caliper pins with a second wrench. Remove the caliper from its mounting bracket and hang the caliper out of the way with a piece of wire. Don't let the caliper hang by the brake hose. Remove the inner and outer brake pads from the mounting bracket. Remove the upper and lower pad retaining clips. Note the condition of the larger caliper metal clip. If it appears to be damaged or distorted, pry it off and remove it from the caliper, as new ones should be used when installing. Seat the caliper piston completely into the caliper bore by rotating it clockwise with a special caliper piston retracting tool, available at most auto parts stores. When doing this, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Make sure it doesn't overflow. After you've retracted the piston into its bore, be sure one of the slots on the piston face are positioned to engage the tab on the inner brake pad backing plate. If the special caliper adjusting tool cannot be obtained, a pair of needle nose pliers engaged with the slots on the piston face can be used to carefully rotate the piston clockwise. Install a new large clip into the caliper if removed previously. Install new upper and lower pad retaining clips to the caliper mounting bracket. Apply a thin film of high-temperature brake grease to the retaining clips, taking extra caution not to get any grease on the brake disc. Install the inner and outer brake pads onto the mounting bracket. Make sure the pads are seated completely into the mounting bracket. Remove the upper and lower caliper guide pins, then clean and lubricate them with high-temperature brake grease. Install the caliper onto the mounting bracket and over the new pads. Then install the caliper mounting bolts. Tighten the caliper mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure on the remaining rear brake pads. Pump the brakes and operate the handbrake several times to seat the pads against the disc. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir and add new brake fluid if necessary until the fluid reaches the maximum mark in the reservoir.